Okay, so the best way to integrate your calendar is so you go to calendars and then you go to settings, calendar settings. So it's at the top. Yeah, brilliant. And then if you go to connections, so you've got the calendar connected, which is great. So in order to set up a calendar, you need to create a calendar profile. So sync linked. So if you scroll down a little bit, I just want to see everything else. That looks fine. That looks fine. Okay, so you look here. So if you click on calendars at the top, yeah. So we need to okay. So if we start again, so at the top, create calendar. Yeah, excellent. So we've got few different types of calendar settings. So um, personal is if I make a booking, it just goes to you. So that's the easiest. Round robin, if you've got more than one colleague and you can take it in turns, it's a random process who they select to meet. Class booking, so if you do any training or tutorials, instead of having just one person, you can specify how many people can join particular training and people can book. Collective bookings is, let's say going forward, you need to have me to support you on some of the technical meetings. So you can import my calendar and yours. So when people are booking, they when they select, the times are for when you are available and when I'm available. So that's collective. So I think when you first start, just start with personal bookings. That's the easiest thing. Okay. So you want to name the calendar. So um, it's whatever that you can remember for this calendar, because going forward you may have multiple different types of calendars. Um, and then you need to create a custom URL. So this is the URL that is a unique ID that identifies you. So it could be, Lokesh, um, AI and automation calendar. So name something that's unique. Fine. Okay. So you can specify how long the meeting is. Usually I have it as 30 minutes. Then you specify when you are available. So do you want to work Monday to Friday or Monday to Thursday or over the weekend? Yeah, you've got it. Fine. Great. So yeah, if you just confirm. So this is your link to your calendar. So if you just copy it, because we will use it going forward. So and close that, copy and close. Yeah. So if you then click on the three dots um, just below action drop down, go down a bit. Yeah, you've got it. Yeah, and edit. So you've created the calendar. The next is we customize that calendar for you. We need to name the calendar because at the moment, if people see book a meeting, it's less descriptive. So, for example, what I've got is um, macaw's AI strategy meeting for AI and automation. So something more descriptive than just book a meeting. That's fine. So I don't think you need to worry too much about the description. We don't need to have groups because it's just us at the moment. Once you're bigger, you'll need to have groups. So you're inviting someone with a name, that's fine. If you keep going down, select team member, it's just yourself, that's right. Uh, yeah, I think that's fine. So we can now save it. So at the top, there should be save. So just to let you know, although we don't need to do this now, there are other bits. So for example, this is where you can change. the when you're available. Okay, so but we've already done that. If you scroll down, there are other options, and I just wanted to run through it. So how long is the meeting? So the interval is how long do you want to wait between one meeting and the ability for another person to book? So what we're saying is yeah, so now you're saying if someone booked at 10 and it finished at 10:30, the next time that people can book is 10:45. So you've given yourself 15 minutes break. You can have minimum scheduling notice. So if someone books now, you need to have half a day notice or a day's notice or an hour's notice. So that's where how because at the moment, if you don't have it, people can book your meeting for 11:30. And is that too short of a time frame? Yeah, that's fine. And how um, going into the future can they book you? Is it 10 days, 14 days? Is it a month? Usually people have 14 days. That gives it enough of a window. Maximum bookings is how many bookings can you have in a day? So, because at the moment you've got 30, so if you're working 9 to 5, it's possible that 10 is it eight people can book you. So you can specify or you don't need to. Um, yeah. Yeah, yeah, of course. All of it could be. I just wanted to run through it with you so that you can change it. Um, maximum booking per slot. So sometimes you can have more than one person booking you. Other times, or you just want it so that only one person can book you. Okay. Yeah. So pre-buffer time. Yeah. So that's the same thing of how long rest do you need. So I don't think you need that for the moment. So you can save that again. So the next one is forms and payment. So this is where if you are providing a lot of support or you're providing payment tutorials, then you can actually get people to book, and when they book, they have to make payment. So not for the moment, but maybe in the future. So all the others, I don't think we need to go through. That this is now the basic structure of your calendar. So if you just save it, so we've now got a calendar. So um, so there are two ways of creating this calendar so people can book you. Okay, so if you type in the URL bar chow.macaws.ai. So I just wanted to no, so because we haven't changed anything, so you don't need to save it. It's fine. You can just go on from here. Yeah. So one of the ways that you can have your calendar is something like this. So where you've got the banner and a photo of you, you can have your contact details, and then you've got the calendar. So can you see that? So that's one way that you can structure it. Or you can just have the calendar, which is the what you see in the middle of the page. So depending on what your preferences are. So you can just have that, or you can have the whole landing page, depending on your preference. Okay. So um yeah, so if you just wanted your own calendar, then do you remember when we created the calendar, there's a link that I said copy that. So if you just have that link, then you can just attach that link to emails or to websites to say, look, if you want to book my availability, this is the link, and it will take you to your calendar. So if you wanted something like this, what I'll do is I will send you the template for this, so then you can fill it out yourself, and then we can look at hosting this for you. Yeah. No, so that's the basics of calendars. There are lots and lots of other features, but I think what would be better is we just build one step at a time. So what we've gone through today is just the basic features of calendars. It allows you to put in when you're available. It allows you to have an interface that people can book you. So that those are the very basics. Yes, yes, I'll send it to you.